Hi, my name is Michael Masonette, and this is my final story project. My purpose is to live my best life with my friends by working hard doing something I love. How I've come to understand my purpose was by thinking about what I've really enjoyed doing in my life. My life revolves around being with my friends in any shape or form. But in order to live this type of life, I need to do something I love, and that's how I found a passion in kinesiology. Being with my friends and hanging out around them led me to career choice that I never thought I would be. Academic pathway. In my academic journey, I received my AA degree from Valencia College and transferred to University of Central Florida, where I later received my bachelor's in kinesiology. My new student experiences course in Valencia really helped me plan out and decide which classes I should take. The overall cost of my education to receive my AA and bachelor's at Valencia and UCF was around $33,651, and I had FAFSA to help pay for some of the expenses. Career pathway. I started my career by working as an athletic trainer at my local high school while completing my final semester at UCF. While studying in college, I received my CPR and AED certifications and practiced my career on injured high school athletes. While practicing on major, I would provide ice bags for athletes and administer a STEM machine to players. I also provided hydration for all of the athletes and staff during practices and games. Profession. As an athletic trainer, we work alongside medical professionals, coaches, and athletes to review the medical condition of athletes and develop a health plan to meet the athlete's diet and fitness goals. Their main duties include analyzing and diagnosing athletes' injuries, designing customized nutrition and exercise plans, and building rehabilitation and training programs to help athletes recover from injuries.